My name is Evgenia Hardashevska, and today with Hermes we are exhibiting at SEMICON Europe. SEMICON Europe is a leading trade fair for electronics and semiconductor industry. With our Hermes RFID business unit today, we are presenting our innovative solution, which ensures transparency, efficiency, and secure across the whole value chain. And now I want to present a responsible person for RFID business unit by Hermes. Hello, Marcus.
Hi.
Would you tell us please more about RFID from Hermes and also about the products which we are presenting here today?
Yes, of course. So first of all, I want to show you our standard products. Here in this shelf you can see our load pod readers. We have products at the LF and HF frequency range, and one of our main products is our LFM load pod reader you can see here. So we are producing and supplying different versions of this product. The main difference is the interface. So we provide it with RS-232 interface, Ethernet interface, EtherCAT or RS-485. And these readers we supply to all load pod manufacturers in the world. As an addition to this product line, we also have our HF reader. We can use for retrofit projects in semiconductor fabs. And of course, we also have some special readers like this handheld reader or our LFM E84 RFID reader.
I also know that now we can present how is implied our products in the machine here. Is it right?
Yes, of course. At the load pod of our exhibition partner LEAP, we have installed our load pod reader, and I would like to show it to you. So here you can see a typical load pod application, and inside the load pod there's our reader installed, and here you can see underneath the plastic cover is our antenna, which identifies the RFID transponder of the FOUP, which will be placed here on this load pod.
And there is also some products inside the box.
Yes, of course. The antenna is connected to our RFID reader, which is inside the load pod.
We are also presenting here our customized solution. Can you please tell us more about it?
Yes, of course. So here you can see our RFID zip rack solution, which is used, let's say, in older fabs with not too many automation. So customers who have already existing fabs since more than 20 years don't have automized processes. And now they are looking for more automation and optimization inside their fabs, and based on that, they need to use RFID. Their goal is to get the exact position of their wafer boxes in such a shelf. And no matter if it's a 150 millimeter fab or 200 millimeter fab with HA200 boxes or Smith boxes, or if it's a 300 millimeter fab with FOUPs, we can equip all these shelves with customized solutions. And based on the antennas we have installed here in the shelf, which are connected to the reader underneath of the shelf, we are able to provide all the exact positions of the boxes. And each antenna, just as a short explanation, has an integrated place sensor, which identifies automatically if a box is placed at the antenna or not. And when I now would take this box, place it here, the sensors triggers the reading, and the RFID reader automatically identifies the box.
But does the rack look exactly the same at the factory, or is it only our exhibition solution?
This is just an example for the exhibition. In a normal fab, all the boxes are looking equal, and based on that you don't have these different boxes inside one shelf. it's only one type of box which is used in a fab. So let's say if it's a 200mm fab, you have the shelves with all these boxes inside, and when you take it from this position out, you can see on the display that we identify now there is no more a box placed, so the information is empty. And when we place it on another position, the sensor triggers again the reading. We read the information of the transponders and visualize the information on the display. And additionally, we send it via our interface to the MES system of the fab. Here in this example, it's just a demo software to visualize it at the exhibition. Usually, there's no display installed at the shelf, so the data goes directly out of the reader to the software of the fab.
Thank you. I also know that we have a special optimization for the automatization. Maybe you will tell us more about it?
Yes. So a lot of fabs are now working on AMR projects, and based on that a robot would pick and place the boxes, we have to provide exact positions of these boxes inside the shelf. And therefore we have developed different read nests which are providing a fixed position of the box, and so the robot will be able to take it and transport it automatically to the load port.
And can you please tell me more? What is that?
Yes, of course. So this is our new generation of the read head. Inside this exhibition shelf you can see the old version. There is still a hole on the top of the housing where the sensor identifies through the box. And here at this new read head version, we don't have a hole anymore, so it's better for cleaning and protecting from dust in a fab the electronics. So we are using some material where the infrared sensor can look through and identify the box. And an additional advantage of this is that we have now different possibilities for the antenna connector. We can connect the antenna on the back, and we can also connect the cable on the bottom. So independently, if you have such grid shelves or you have shelves where are just holes inside the bottom, depending on the different versions of the shelves, we can use the exact fitting antenna solution for that.
But we're also today presenting our trolley solution. Tell us more about it, please.
Yes, you can see our RFID trolley here. We made this for customers who have also manual transport processes but want to get a traceability during their complete transport process. And for those customers, we have developed this trolley. So we have also, as you have seen it in the vid rack, our read nests, the read heads, and the reader installed in this trolley. And when the customer now places the cassette on the trolley for the transport process, the antennas automatically identify which box is placed on which position, and the operator can see here on the tablet on the screen which boxes are on the trolley at the moment and where he has to bring them. So the complete system is connected via Wi-Fi to the network, so it's a mobile solution of course, and it's powered with a battery solution. So to change it, just take the battery out, recharge it, just put it into the trolley again, and so the trolley is ready to work.
Thank you, Marcus. It was really interesting to find out more about our products. I would like to wish you good luck on the exhibition in the future, and maybe you will say a few words for our client.
Yes, I would be happy to meet you at every Semicon exhibition around the world. We are exhibiting at nearly all shows, and I would be happy to meet you there.
Well, I think that's it for today. Thank you for being with us, Hermes RFID Business Unit at Semicon Europe 2025 today.